Welcome to Cuzco, tucked away in the Andes Mountains, 3,400 meters above sea level. This place will quite literally take your breath away. We've met up with Chef Ronal to show us around the local markets, as well as give us a lesson on how to make ceviche de trucha, or in English, simply trout ceviche.
Peru is very sweet and taste. The fruit, how do you say this, is good for your colon. So you have to eat only one per day. Because if you eat two, wait in your hotel. Yeah, clean your stomach. Yeah, yeah. It's very tasty. Also, I'm gonna buy this. If you have to choose between the red and the yellow always gonna be the best. Yeah.
It's called dragon fruit, huh?
It's
because
dragon fruit.
They have dragon fruit in Thailand, but it's different colors than this one.
Yes, it's different, guys. Yeah? It's even tastier than in Thailand. Yeah. yes, very good. I'm gonna bring more fruits. Wait. So here we have, these different fruits. Yeah, this one is the chirimoya. Tastes like bubblegum. It's amazing. Yeah, we're going to try it. This one, guys, is the sweet cucumber or pepino dulce. The fruit is amazing as well. Tastes like melon. It's anti-inflammatory. Yeah. And this one is the most famous Peruvian fruit. The name is lucuma. It's weird. Tastes like a sweet potato and dates together inside. Yeah.
Wow.
And it's very dry. Actually, the texture is like boiled egg yolk. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Now, the chicha, the people leave to germinate and after boil and leave to ferment. Yeah. Okay. And the Incas drink more chicha than water, guys. Why? Yes. Because the Incas knew that it wasn't a good idea to drink water from the mountains. For example, you're gonna make some treks. The water there looks clear, you know, but the animals drink from there, yeah, and has small parasites. Yeah, so be careful. Yeah.
That's sorry. I think that's the same as like in the Middle Ages. They drank a lot more beer than water because everyone's getting sick from the water.
It's the same here, man.
Yeah.
It's the same. Yeah. Actually, the Incas' bodies was very delicate. When the Spaniards came to here, they broke many illnesses, you know, and most of the people died for the illnesses knowing to the words. That's why. That's why the Spaniards broke slaves from Africa to work here, because many people died here actually. Yeah. Look at that. The ceviche in the for locals has some fried squid. Yeah. Okay. And also rice. Okay. And the tiger's milk. Yeah.
Right, leche de tigre.
Very good, leche de tigre. It's a kind of salsa with lime and vegetables and fish that all the ceviches has inside. Okay, great, guys. Here we have the ingredients for our ceviches. Yeah, this is the toasted corn, the canchita. This one is the cebolla, onions, mango. This is the yellow chili pepper. This is ginger. Yeah, cilantro, lime juice. Here we have the boiled choclo or corn. Yeah, celery. This one is the sweet potato. Very good. Yeah, let's go.
And this is your recipe or traditional?
This is okay. This one is one of the most easy recipes, guys. Yeah, the most important of the ceviche is the order of the ingredients. You know, that kind of is the technique basically. Now your turn is you have to mix like this. Mix by 3 minutes. Yeah. So now I'm gonna finish the tiger's milk using the fish and the yellow chili pepper.
I've never had ceviche with trout before, so I'm interested to see.
It's very interesting. Here in the city, only we use trout to make ceviche.
Normally, I think most ceviches I've had are done with like some type of a white fish.
Yes, most of them are made with white fish, but this one it's very tasty as well, guys. It's very nice. No, yes. Great. I will try. Is it spicy or not? Oh wow, it's good spicy. Wow. Wow, it's great. I just didn't feel it.
I like to eat stuff like this spicy because the spice opens your palate up a little bit. I feel like you get like the more flavor with it, you know?
That's real, friend. Very good. This is the base of the tiger's milk. It's like
I just had a tiny taste of the jaw. It's so good.
It's good. But it's not ready yet.
How do you know it's ready?
The color of the fish, look at. Yeah, it's white now. Yeah, or light. But we have to add more ingredients. So this is a little bit of corn. Yeah, very good. Next is the mango. Yeah, the fruits at the end, no at the beginning, guys. Yeah, las frutas al final, no al inicio. Because if you put the fruits at the beginning, the mango gonna takes the sourness And okay, the ceviche never gonna cook. Yeah, always keep in mind, friends. Yeah. As I learned this, I learned by myself. I think making this dish. Yeah. Finally, the tigers make a little bit, not too much. Yeah, in my experience, guys, I'm not sure if this is good for the steaks. Yeah, actually, I use for the Hanover. It's amazing because it has ginger and has what is celery, friends. Yeah, but people say it's good for other things. Yeah, I don't know.
Do you need to be careful about what type of a fish you use in a ceviche, like health-wise, or can I go in Thailand, for example, and I just go find the local white fish, whatever it is, and I can use it for ceviche?
No, you have to always be careful because it depends of the country. Yeah, for example, here in Peru we don't have parasites. Yeah, but always I have to frozen the fish to kill the bacteria. But in Canada, Norway, for example, always the fishes have to be frozen because they have parasites there inside. Yeah, and you have to ask in Thailand who is it. Yeah.
Okay, so
but better frozen a little bit, my friend.
freezing it always kills whatever parasites?
Yes, down of the 0 degrees Celsius, everything die. Actually,
Okay, so if it's frozen, health-wise, you could use any fish as long as it's frozen first.
Yes.
Perfect.
But the way to defrost is one day to another into the fridge. You have to leave the frost slow, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. This is the best way.
You
Great.
defrost it in the fridge for
Yes. Because if you do it quick, it's the same.
Okay.
Perfect. Now we're going to finish with this. Okay, here you have the dishes.
It's like all my favorite flavors in one dish. You've got the Mexican flavors, but then you've got ginger.
This is the version without additives, guys. Yeah, other people add a little bit of MSG. Yeah, if you feel very thirsty, if you have a headache after your ceviche, because they use it. Yeah. Perfect, my friends. Yeah. Now I'm gonna finish with the decoration for you. Yeah. This is a sweet potato. Very good. Dun.
It's funny, before I came to Peru, I'd never had yam or sweet potato in a ceviche before.
Really?
Yeah.
We always use a lot.
Maybe it's a particularly Peruvian thing?
Yes.
Because you don't see it in a Mexican ceviche
No,
or a
never.
Colombian ceviche.
Never. Creo, porque lo vi allí un par de veces. Para terminar de una vez el lomo saltado. Very good. It's done, guys. Yeah, we finished.
So we've got trout ceviche here. I have a feeling it's going to be fantastic. Ridiculous. You really taste the ginger, spicy mango, sweet, magnifico.
The word spreads around and round, so we gon' catapult into your town. Hold on, we about to take the rhythm up and away.